Hi, hello guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create this gradient design for your photo, for your thumbnail, for your videos in Canva. So, without any further ado, let's do this. All right, so first let's go to our Canva, okay? And then let's create a template here. So you can choose the template that you want to use. So for in this tutorial, I'm gonna use the TikTok video, which is the size that we always uploaded on our YouTube Shorts. So here, it's a blank template. So I'm gonna find an images. Okay, click the uploads and choose the image that you want to use for gradient. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. Okay, live, laugh, love. All right, let's position it into the middle. Okay, and then let's go to elements and let's put a square on top of your image. Okay, it doesn't matter what color is that. We're gonna do a gradient anyway. So I just try to make a little bit bigger so you can see. Okay, so click that color and click the plus sign as you see there. That's gradient. And here you can choose the color that you want. Okay, click that picker and you will see on the right side the color change, right? So it's up to you guys. You can play with it. And then you click the gradient and now here are the style that you can use for your image. And you can also add more colors aside from the light brown or beige. So I'm gonna play with it and choose a lot of color that I can combine to create a gradient. Okay, so here you can adjust the darkness, the lightness of your green if you choose the green. And you can add more colors if you want by, you know, dragging this little circle here. Yes, you can just point it wherever you want. And the style that we're going to use is the one with the circle in the middle. As you see here on the right side, right? You see, you can still see my image because of the gradient. But we're going to work on that and I'll show you guys. So stick to me. All right. Here on the right top, you can click that for transparency and you can adjust the transparency to, I don't know, it's all up to you. There you go. Now you can see the image, right? So you can adjust how much you want for your transparency. But I'm going to take this gradient first out of this so I can place this into the middle and resize it because it's too big for the template that we choose, which is the phone. All right, so now it's now here in the middle, but you cannot really see the image, right? So I'm going back to the color and gradient and I'm gonna choose other color. So you can play with it, guys. You can choose the color that you want and then you can adjust the darkness, the transparency here also. You can just drag that little circle to the right, to the left so you can see the difference on your right. You see that? Just click the color that you want to adjust. Like for example, the red and then the orange. And then you can just drag this yellow a little bit. You decrease the transparency so you can see the image, the template. So for the green, well, I'm going to make the green a little bit darker, I think. Just put a little bit green inside around of the red one or kind of a little bit, looks like pink. So I'm gonna adjust this, just keep on adjusting, until you're satisfied of the gradient that you want for your image. So I keep playing with it. It looks like darker to me. So I'm gonna, yes, there you go. I think I like this. It's more visible. There you go. So now you can see your image behind the gradient. And you can always adjust this one whenever you want. Just make sure that it is in the center. And you can just pull this one down. There you go. So now you have your first template for your design using the gradient. All right, so next let's create another page, but we're gonna use an image from the elements. So I'm going to choose the phone. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down and choose the phone that I want to put my gradient. Okay, I choose this phone, and then I'm going to put that picture of Bitmoji that I created on top of the phone. Okay, you can always resize this, adjust it. You can turn it to the left and to the right. So I'm gonna put the elements again, and let's put a square on top of the Bitmoji. Okay, so I'm gonna type square. Okay, and then gonna drag the square here. And as I've told you, it doesn't matter what color it will pop up. Anyway, we're gonna change it to gradient. All right, click that plus sign and click the gradient. And now you see we're going to use the style of the gradient, which is the one that has circle in the middle. Okay, you can add more colors if you want, since I have beige here. So I'm gonna use the purple one, maybe blue, and make sure that you click the style. And I'm gonna add more colors like yellow for this. I can change, this one later if I don't like the combination. So just keep playing with it, and then try to drag the circles so I can see the transparency of my image once I uh, fix this gradient so that I can see the image. Okay, so keep doing this, guys, until you find the color combination that you want, and let's see how it goes. I'm going to resize this so I can see. Okay, so now, now you can see my picture there, but I need to crop this one so that it will fit into the phone. So you can just, turn that arrow around like that, and then just resize it to the size of the phone. There you go. So my background is green and purple, kind of blue, but you can change this whenever you want. If you want to change the color, all you have to do is just to click that one, the color, and then you can change the color. Okay, this time I'm gonna add a heading. Okay, you can add anything you want. Like in this tutorial, I'm just gonna say hello. So I'm gonna type the word hello, and I'm gonna adjust the text I put on the top of my picture, and that's it. There you go. So here you can still keep adjusting the color. If it is too dark, you can make it, you can decrease the transparency. There you go. You see, I'm changing the color. You can play around even though you made already the gradient. You can change which one do you want to change. It's all there on the top. Your gradients, colors. You can just adjust, decrease this one, and make the color that you want. So that's all, guys, how you can you can use the gradients to make a design for your template, for your flyers, or for your YouTube thumbnails. And then once you've done, then just click the share button on the right top, and then you can download it to your computer. Okay, so I hope this helps, guys. Thank you so much.